ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Kajing ang no jong kipaj ba ka thain Nongstoiñ lembat ki kinhon seng bhalang ban yo I no ya kajing traikam jong ka jaka puli nurse han Nongstoiñ lani ka GNM School of Nursing kalawan ban orlong ha ka khatnyo tarik ubanai rempang arajar arpuar Hadien bo menteri rang ba jong ka jilla ukonrat konggal sangma uli yo ban Plie no ya ka te ka jaka puli kumban chupan kin mau ba ya ka te ka jaka puli nurse latai na do Snem arajar khat sao balala ban pendep ru ho Snem arajar khat reu ha ka jinglut ka balai spa lai punyo pen prapusan lak tingka hanre Hadien baladap bantai amsem patla satya ban Plie ya ka te ka jaka puli Shosho Hadien balawan ka khlam COVID-19 nagalyang jong katanat ka kot ka khya kala pendan kamno ya ka te ka jaka puli kum ka corona care center but COVID-19 hospital Hakatai ke jingelang Plie le dan rengkat lang ru ubak lak kemen rembui menteri sarkar ubak makmilan bersat MLA kan Nongstoiñ constituency u Dr. Amanwar DHS MI ki nonghikai jong katai ke jaka puli ki khna puli ki doctors but kiwei
As you are all aware that in the last 2 years we have all faced great difficulty because of the pandemic that had hit us. And it was during these pandemic times we all realized to a very large extent the different deficiencies that we have, especially in the health sector. And we had challenges in terms of manpower, we had challenges in terms of infrastructure, and it was a time when, I should say, the crisis gave us an opportunity to realize that we need to do much more when it comes to the health sector in our state. And therefore, in the last 2 years, there has been a concerted effort on part of our government to really push the health sector and put maximum investment in the health sector. Whether it is the 350 crore World Bank infrastructure project that is being implemented as we speak, whether it's the creation of 485 different wellness and health centers, whether it's the fact that we have more than 4.5 lakh households now enrolled in MHIS, whether it's the fact that in the next month or so, we will be also laying the foundation stone for a 280 crore medical Hunar Hub training skills center in our state, which will be funded by the Minorities Affairs Department, Government of India, where I was in Delhi yesterday and we were informed by the minister that the project has in principle been approved. It will be the largest skill development or skilling center for medical purpose and one of its kind in the whole country, and the pilot project based on which the government is looking at setting up one in every state. So that is a kind of push today that is being given to health services, and manpower requirement is very, very essential in this, and that is why this GNM School of Nursing in Nongstoiñ and the other 4 locations, which is in Nongpo, in East Karo Hills and in South Karo Hills, at a cost of 3 crore 37 lakhs, totaling 13.51 crores for the 4 centers, is a huge benefit and a huge push towards ensuring that we are able to close the gap in terms of the manpower deficiency that we have. And we have realized that as a government, we need to invest more and more in the health sector. We have also realized that there are many other things that we need to do when it comes to health services. Apart from giving infrastructure investment, making sure that our sub-centers are able to provide that additional service to our people, the ANMs, the different ASHA workers, different nurses are able to provide that additional support to our citizens. That kind of approach is what the government is looking at today. Trying to ensure that the different 600 centers that we have throughout the state, how could we make them more efficient and more effective? We're trying to figure out how preventive steps can be taken to ensure that lifestyle diseases can be controlled. As we realize that the lifestyle diseases are the major causes of concern in today's world. So preventive measures need to be taken, and how can government ensure that our citizens start exercising more, start eating better, start checking up more regularly. These kind of preventive measures will ensure that we are able to at least reduce the cases of high risk and high ailment and are able to identify the different ailments at an early stage so that treatment can be given.
1, 2, 3.